All right, so today's wash day and we're just gonna get right into it. I am going to do a pre-poo, not even a pre-poo. I usually shampoo my hair first and then I put the flaxseed gel on, sit under the dryer. You guys know the deal. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I make my flaxseed gel. So I'm gonna get 1/4 cup of this brown flaxseed that I got from Safeway. Okay, about 1/4 of it. And I'm gonna put it in here. 1 cup is about 8 ounces. This water bottle has 16.9. So I'm just going to pour this whole water bottle into here. And then I'm just going to mix it up a little bit into the water. And then I'm going to place it on the stove. All right, so while it's boiling, I'll show you guys what it looks like before I take it out. But I'm going to use this bowl and this strainer that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I also purchased this little dispenser bottle from the Dollar Tree as well. It came with 2 in 1 pack. So as you can see, I've used it before. I tried to wipe off the date from the last time, but I'm going to put the date on here again. So these are the materials that I use. And then I'm also going to add a little bit to it this time. So I'm going to add some rosemary oil to it. All right, so it's boiling. So I'm just gonna let it boil longer until it gets like a little sticky. All right, so I've already labeled this one. So I'm gonna put that it was prepped on this date and an expiration of 2 weeks out. I'm gonna keep it in the refrigerator when I'm not using it. And I'm going to add this rosemary essential oil into it. I'll link this down in the description if you guys want to try this one out. I purchased it off of Amazon. I'm just going to put a couple of drops of this in there. All right, so it's been boiling for a while now. And so it looks good to me. So I am going to strain it while it's still hot. All right. So I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit before I actually put it in my hair. And like I said, I'm gonna put a couple drops of this. So I put 3 drops in there. Just gonna mix it in there. All right, so here's my hair after I unbraided it. To me, it looks drier than it did when I did my braid out the last time. But it still feels moisturized a little bit. I put some of that flaxseed gel, that's what that is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shampoo it first. All right, so here's my hair, freshly washed after doing the apple cider vinegar. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put that flaxseed gel I made. It's still warm. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it into my hair. All right, so I'm just gonna smooth it all through and then I'm gonna section it into like 4 sections and then I'm gonna braid it up. Not braid it up, twist it up, and then I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes. I'm also making sure I massage my scalp with the flaxseed gel as well, especially because I added the rosemary oil. So just making sure it gets into my scalp. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay blessed. Mwah.